Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smoky fall kombucha. This is a special recipe I came up with that has a very smoky, distinct flavor, and I hope y'all like it. Let's get into it. So the first ingredient we're going to use, and this is what gives it that smoky flavor, so you kind of need this. I'll put in the description box down below what it is. It's called Lapsang Souchong Tea. Hopefully I said that right. It's a very distinct smoked tea, and you're going to want to try and find this. You get it pretty cheap on Amazon. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here, but I'll do about a handful, you could say about 30 grams of the tea. For this kombucha, I like to do a blend of teas, so I do about the same amount of either a black or a white tea. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do a Himalayan white tea that I like to use. But you could use a black tea. I just mix it half and half so you don't get too overpowering of a smoky flavor. So your tea should look something like this, and then I just bag it up in a little reusable tea bag. Then you'll want to get a hot boiling pot of water. I do about half a gallon, and then I let it brew for about 15 minutes. Once you're done brewing, you'll want to get your brewing vessel and pour in your hot tea concentrate. So for the sweetener, I like to give it kind of a fall wintry flavor. So what I'm going to be using is about a cup of brown sugar. And then I do half a cup of maple syrup, and I just pour those in. You can use white sugar or any sweetener that you prefer, but I do this specifically to give it like a nice smoky fall winter vibe. I think it works very well with this brew. After that, stir it all in, and then you'll want to fill it up almost to the top with hot water. Next, I just simply cover it up and I wait till it's about at room temperature. Once the liquid is cooled, you'll want to add the mother to your jar. I have a video I made before on how to make a simple kombucha recipe, and in the beginning I show how to grow the mother in case you need to know how to do that. After that, you want to just cover it up, and you'll want to put it in a relatively warm area of your house, especially if it's fall or winter when you're making this, and I'll leave it there for about 3 weeks. Now, depending on the temperature of the room you put it in, it will brew faster or slower, so you can adjust for that time. Also take note that if the room is too cold, you have a higher likelihood of your brew going bad, so just be aware of that in the winter or fall. So after 3 weeks, here's the brew. I'm going to take the mother out and put it in a jar with a little bit of the liquid from the kombucha, and just keep that in the fridge for the next batch. And that's that. That's how to make a smoky kombucha recipe. I hope that y'all like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be making some more videos like this.